In this video, we're going to take a look at the Pro Campaign Manager add-on. So as with all of the add-ons, simply head over to the Upgrade tab. Scroll down to the add-on. So in this case, Pro Campaign Manager. Click the down arrow and you'll see here the description. So the Pro Campaign Manager does require the Discover tab. So this will be automatically, if you don't already have it added on like I do here, this will automatically flick the switch for you. The Discover obviously allows you access to our database, and the Pro Campaign Manager allows you to reach out to influencers for direct campaigns. So what does this give you? Unlimited campaigns. It gives you the campaign overview and metrics. It gives you the PPC campaign option, and this comes with a 10% commission fee per transaction and a 10 USD product payment fee. So this allows you to go to the Influencer tab. It allows you to go to the Discover tab. And then once you have the Discover tab, you can start to make selections on influencers. And as you can see, once I've started to select some influencers that I want to work with, I have the new campaign with selected button. So clicking on the new campaign with selected button will then launch the new campaign setup process. I will then work through this. And when I click finish, this will start to actually contact the influencers that I have selected. The other feature here is once I have these influencers selected, so let's say I have a short list here, and I'm going to choose these 4, I can then get an estimated results. So what this does is, and by the way, if you need to analyze any missing accounts, you have a button here, and this will analyze any of the accounts that you haven't analyzed before. So in my case, I had these 3 analyzed. I was missing this guy. So that's going to do that for me now in the background. So at this point, you see here, we're going to get an overview of all the data for the campaign, as well as a performance estimation. So the amount of likes, comments, and video views that we're looking to get with this campaign. And now the collective data for all of the audience. So this is now the combined data for all of those people. So clicking on the new campaign was selected. As I mentioned before, it's going to set up the process here. So you're going to give it a title, work your way through the brief screen. You're going to work your way through the timing, choosing the influencers, and you'll notice at payment, you now have the PPC option. So clicking on the PPC allows you to fill out these 3 boxes. It's super simple. You just click the amount per click. You can put a limit per post here if you want to set a limit, and you can also set a limit to the time that you are willing to consider the clicks for. You'll notice also that the pay with product is activated. So to do that, you simply add a new product here and select it on the drop down menu.